Did you know that dozens of countries have completely disappeared from the map over the last 200 years? Borders are not permanent. Nations can split apart, merge together, or vanish entirely as history unfolds. One famous example is Prussia. Once one of Europe's most powerful states, it eventually became part of a unified Germany. Austria-Hungary was another giant empire. After World War I, it broke apart into several separate nations. Yugoslavia survived much of the 20th century, but eventually divided into several independent countries during the 1990s. The Soviet Union once stretched across 11 time zones. In 1991, it dissolved into multiple independent states. Across Africa, many colonial territories disappeared as independent nations gained their freedom during the 20th century. Some countries disappear not by splitting apart, but by reuniting with another nation. Czechoslovakia peacefully separated into two countries in what became known as the Velvet Divorce. Some disappeared through war, others through peaceful agreements, but all left lasting marks on history. Since 1800, the political map has been constantly changing, with countries appearing, disappearing, and transforming. If you compare today's world with the map of 1800, many familiar countries didn't exist, while many former nations are gone forever. History reminds us that national borders are constantly evolving, even when they seem permanent. Countries may disappear, but their influence often survives through culture, language, and the nations that follow. The world map is not fixed. It's a story that never stops changing.